Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive smart daily wear collections only for you. So let me display this smart and trendy all are premium quality cotton fabric, summer friendly all over printed one without running blouse piece, only sari length cotton printed based for your daily wear. It's very smart looks. This one full base part, beautiful printed one all over and summer friendly soft cotton with beautiful printed and very smart and trendy looks. This one is full base part all over printed, this and without running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions contrast color with beautiful printed pallu, and this one is full base, very nice and fresh looks. And this is cotton fabric ikat printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart daily looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, nice color combinations, bright one cotton fabric all over printed one. This one is full base part, very nice and fresh looks, mustard yellow shade with beautiful colorful printed. This one full base part is nice printed looks, very trendy one all over printed, premium quality cotton fabric, soft one, smart looks. And this one pallu portions, beautiful contrast color with printed pallu based for your daily wear. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and fresh looks. And this one also very beautiful one cotton silk material, mirror embroidery design work, very bright color combinations, mustard yellow with blue contrast looks. This one full base part. This one is full base part, fully mirror embroidery applique, mirror embroidery design work. This one is border portions, applique border attached with beautiful design work, applique with mirror design. And this one pallu portions contrast color with beautiful artificial mirror with embroidery and applique patch design work, designer piece pallu. And this one is full base part, very bright and fresh looks. This one is all over base, beautiful work, patchwork with embroidery design. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one premium quality khadi cotton base with all over stripe design, fresh magenta pink shade with beautiful contrast color stripes pattern all over base. And this portion is border portions, beautiful fine weaving design work border, and all over base part is contrast color stripes, very trendy and fashionable looks. And this one pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu and with fully weaving border and very soft one summer friendly based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart and bright looks. This one border portions, fully fine hand weaving design work border all over stripes, very nice and fresh looks, contrast color and fully hand weaving. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also very beautiful one, nice bright color combinations, khadi cotton silk material all over gicha stripes design. This one full base part, very smart trendy looks. This one is bright green shade all over gicha stripes base all over base. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted gicha stripes pallu, and this one is full base, very nice and fresh looks all over gicha stripes design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric fully fine weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And this one very nice color combinations, cotton silk material, bright maroon shade and ikat design work border, very trendy and fashionable bright look. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material all over checks with weaving buta work. And this portion is border portions, ikat border with temple pattern weaving design work. And this one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes with buta work pallu. And this one is full base part, very soft comfortable smart fresh look. This one is all over base buta work, very nice one. This one running running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful one, khadi cotton silk material, khadi cotton material with contrast color weaving border design, very nice looks, contrast color border, pure cotton fabric, khadi cotton base with beautiful contrast color with fine weaving border design, very nice and fresh looks. This one, pallu portions highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu, and all over fine weaving design work border, very trendy and fashionable looks. This one, full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and all over border beautiful weaving work. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks, trendy daily looks. And this one, very beautiful one, premium quality khadi cotton base, contrast color border, and this one is all over base, very trendy and fashionable looks, nice color combinations, greyish shade, blackish grey shade with beautiful contrast color border, all over texture pattern design, and very trendy and fashionable looks, lightweight, comfortable, based for your daily wear. And this one, pallu portions fully contrast color, this one is pallu portion, contrast color highlighted stripes pattern, pallu very nice and fresh look, lightweight, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, and this one is border and all over base, and very soft one, summer Finland. I suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, khadi cotton base, contrast color border, and all over stripes design, ikat border, very nice and trendy, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base, ikat contrast border, all over fine weaving stripes design, all over base, smart weaving stripes work, nice looks, contrast color ikat border, and all over stripes design. And this one, running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions highlighted contrast color stripes with beautiful weaving buta design work, pallu, and this portion is border area, very trendy and fashionable looks, lightweight, comfortable khadi cotton base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful one, khadi cotton base, all over texture pattern weaving design, very nice color combinations, soft, comfortable, golden zari border, very trendy and fashionable looks, lightweight. This one, full base part, golden zari border, all over texture pattern weaving design, very smart and fresh looks. This one, all over base, and this one is pallu portions highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving design buta work pallu, and this one is all over base, very trendy and fashionable, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, smart and elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base, contrast color ikat border, all over checks, beautiful smart trendy look. This one, full base part, all over checks design. This one is border portions, contrast color ikat border, and this one, running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions highlighted stripes with beautiful hand weaving buta design work, pallu very colorful also, and base is black and white looks, contrast looks, ikat border, very trendy and fashionable looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.ricepassions.com. All the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have dipped a beautiful smart look saree, very bright color combinations, black base, golden zari border, premium quality handloom, natural fabric, lien by lien material. And this one, pallu portions, fully contrast color, gicha and contrast maroon shaded pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, very smart looks, golden zari border, and full base part is plain black base, very nice one, beautiful bright saree, blouse, designer blouse and jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.